Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Modifix. My name's Dan and today we're going to be modding. So from the previous episode you'll have seen that I've tinted out the headlights. The next step is now to modify the grille. Now the standard grille on the car is quite ugly, don't really like it, so I got another grille for it from a Cubic, believe it or not, and it's a lot nicer looking. So what we're going to do is we're going to just change the color of it a little bit, and we're going to do that using a Plastidip product. Well, it's not actually the brand Plastidip, but it is a rubberized coating. So let's get on with it. So I bought this grill on good old eBay, and what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that, and we are going to put something else a little bit more interesting in its place, and we're going to make the rest of it black to give it a bit more of a meaner look. Easy as that. I just used a plastic trim removal tool and that came up nice and easy. But I was hoping that shape wouldn't be there, but it is, so we'd have to just put another badge on it, I guess. I'm going to use a blade to get the residue of the glue off. I've removed most of the glue now with a little blade, and I'll just spray some of that stuff on it in a minute to get rid of the residue, the stuff you've seen me use before. So now I'm just going to take these off, screw there, and then some placeholders, and take the indicators out. Come out quite easy actually, they just lift out. Look, there we go, that's the second one out, all done. I'm just going to put the screws back in the holes so we don't misplace them. Next we're going to give it a wash with some washing up liquid, as detergents in it, and I'll get rid of all the surface grease, and then I'll give it a wipe down. All this stuff here, get rid of that first, and I've got my trusty old Lidl spray for that, so let's give that a generous squirt. Lovely lime scent. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. It's not, hasn't totally got rid of everything, but it's a nice flat surface, and I can stick something else nice on there, so happy days. I'm just going to give it a wash down now, let it dry off, and then wax and grease remover. Gonna let that dry off now. Might give it a helping hand with a bit of tissue. So it's time for the badge to go on. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but you'll see it in a minute. What do we think, guys? The Cube is officially a Z car. Just gonna get some of this stuff on it now, clean it up, ready for what's coming next. not using Plastidip. I am using this stuff here. It's called K2 Pro Synthetic Rubber Protective Coating. And the reason I've got this is because Plastidip only comes in a matte finish, and this you can get in gloss, so I don't have to buy glossifier or anything like that to put on top of it. So similar price. I think I paid £12 a can. Hopefully it does a good job. It says to spray 5 thin coats and then 10 minutes between each coat. So I think I will give it 1 dust and then a bit thicker for the other 4. So let's go for it. Okay, so the first coat is on, and as you can see, it's gone on quite well actually. Obviously I've gone on light, as they've said, and it's come out quite smooth. So let's give it a few minutes and then we'll give it another coat. Okay, so it actually says 1 to 5 minutes between coats, not 10 minutes. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes, and it's quite warm today, so I'll give it another blast, I think. Okay, so coat number 2's just gone on, and as you can see, finish is quite good. I'm very happy with that so far. Whether it's peelable is a different story, but I'm not going to be in a hurry to peel it anyway. I just thought I'd put some of this stuff on in case the next owner of the car wants to peel it off or doesn't like the look or whatever. And it's supposed to actually protect the paintwork against stone chips, etc., so why not? And I've never played with this stuff before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And so far so good. So another 3 coats and then should be sweet, should be done. I've just done the 4th coat, and I'll skip that one for you guys. So this is the final coat now. That was the last coat, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through all the crevices that way, just to make sure it's extra thick, because it does say in the instructions that make sure you pay particular attention to like crevices and corners and stuff, otherwise it won't peel. So I've got some left, not a lot, so I might as well just hit it. Okay, so technically about 6 coats later. What do you think, guys? It's pretty good stuff. It says it'll be touch dry in 10 minutes, and it'll be dust dry in 30 minutes, whatever that means, and fully cured in 2 hours. So I'm going to leave it out here. There is a bit of orange peel about the place, but that's probably because I went a bit gung-ho and put the whole can on it. I only had a little bit left, so I thought might as well put another coat on. So I've probably got 6 coats on here, and if you count going both ways from the top and the bottom, then maybe 12. So anyway, it's done. Let's leave it for a couple hours and we'll come back to it, and hopefully it's flattened down a little bit. But overall, really nice. This stuff's a lot more forgiving than normal paint, put it that way. Okay guys, still another half an hour or so until it totally cures, but it's bloody come out good, I think. Looks very nice now. Look at it. I'm well happy with that. And this time the gazebo won't be taking a flight because I've I've actually anchored it down with these dog holder things, so it should be alright this time. And needless to say, I'll be, once this is cured in about half an hour, an hour's time, I will put it away somewhere safe. What do we think, guys? Do we like it? Or do we love it? Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments below of my little upgrade. The good thing about this little upgrade, or the facelift should I say, is that everything is peelable. So the grill is a version of Plastidip, so we can peel all that off and put it back to stock if we wanted to. And the same with the lights, so if there was any issues with them, peel it off as you saw. So I think it's quite a tasty little upgrade. Don't know what you guys think. Hope you like it. If you liked the video today, do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later. Bye for now.